Yes. Okay. All of you getting the screen?
Sir,
Yes.
Sir.
Okay. Have you solved this problem? This now with the four activities A, B, C, and D.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You got the solution. Hope you got this right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what about the next one? Okay. Everyone got this critical path?
yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
A, B, D, G, and H is the critical path in this problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Should I explain this one or shall we go to the next slide?
So we'll
You
go
want
to
me
the
to
next slide.
explain?
Yeah,
Everyone?
explain.
Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay, as we discussed earlier, this is a base for any of the project in Primavera. This critical path method. We have two kinds of this problem solving techniques. There is one critical path method, another one is PERT. We will not discuss about the PERT here. We will discuss only the CPM. Okay. Hope you have you got clarification on this CPM, right? Okay.
Yes,
Coming
sir.
to this exactly under the Primavera, initially we need to discuss about the organization breakdown structure, OBS. Okay. Uh, as the abbreviation tells, it's an organization related structure. That is, what do you mean by organization?
A company.
Okay.
Group of peoples.
Okay.
Arranging.
Pardon me?
Arranging.
Okay. As the definition shows, that is organization OBS is a global hierarchy that represents the managers responsible for the projects in the enterprise. Enterprise may be a company or a college or anything else. Okay, this is an organizational breakdown structure. This is a global hierarchy. That is, for example, we shall consider our family. Our family will be having father, mother, siblings, grand siblings. Okay, there is a structure that is everyone knows father is the head of the family. Okay, then under father, mom comes. Under mom, there'll be siblings. So consider two sons and two daughters are there. This is the hierarchy what we get. See, for example, I'm giving here organization breakdown structure. That is, I have considered this JSW Steel Limited. That is Jindal as an example here. Here we are having a managing director. Under managing director, we have CEO. Under CEO, we are having the three VPs. That is senior VP structural, senior VP operations, and senior VP projects. Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone getting this? Okay. See,
Sir.
Yes, sir.
OBS generally involves the designation of the hierarchy. See here, managing director, CEO, and senior VPs. We have three senior VPs over here. That is VP structural, VP operations, and VP projects. VP is vice president. This is the organization of the structure. We need to represent this organization breakdown structure in Primavera initially, because we have to assign the responsible managers for individual task and individual project. Do you know what's the purpose of this organizational breakdown structure? We are just here to assign our responsible
What?
managers and responsible person for the activities or projects. Got it? Got it? Here we have steps in Primavera. That is, we need to click on enterprise, organization breakdown structure, and add. This you just make a note of it. Steps in Primavera for OBS. Click on enterprise. Everyone note it down. Got it? What is the organization breakdown structure? Everyone? Okay. We'll just go to this enterprise project structure. This enterprise project structure. See now, we have discussed this organization breakdown structure initially. This enterprise project structure. Consider, for example, in your college, because I am giving some such a small examples that might be silly, but I want you to understand in a common manner about this project. For that part, I am giving this simple example for you guys. Hope you understand it, right? Okay.
Yes.
This enterprise product structure, consider an example for, we'll consider ATME, right? ATM College of Engineering as an example. See, under ATME College, we are having a different projects, that is a different structure. That is, we are having around 5 to 6 engineering department, that is mechanical, civil, ENC, computer science, other two branches, we can electrical, automobile. Consider we have around six domains in this. Okay, got it. See, in the same manner, we have divided the Zindal company into two sub branches, that is mechanical as well as civil. Under this mechanical part, we are having structural and equipments. Under the civil part, we have construction and project management. Okay, this is a simple hierarchy. This is enterprise project structure, because we need to give this input initially to the project. That will help us to understand clearly who are the guys handling which projects. Got it? Why we are introducing this enterprise project structure in the Primavera? Because we need to know where Edwin, because this project may be read by anyone. Initially I'll be the project manager, later I'll get the promotion, or I may switch over to the another company. The next guy who enters this project, he must be knowing who are the candidates handling which projects and all. Those are the things must be portrayed clearly in the project, so that that project must not hamper in any manner. Got it? Okay. See, these are the two things, the important things. There is one is organization breakdown structure, another one is enterprise project structure. Make a note of this, how we need to process this enterprise project structure in Primavera. Steps in Primavera. Click enterprise EPS add. Everyone switch on your video modes. Okay, Muhammad, where is Muhammad Zaid?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Please switch on your video.
Okay, sir.
Sumashri, where is Shobita Sumashri?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Is it comfortable to switch on the video mode now? Okay, I want the full attendance for this because if we skip any of the session, it might be difficult to understand the next concept. Sumashri and Shobita, please switch on your video modes. Yes, just take this time. We have on the attendance for each and every session. Okay. See, all of you got it right. Both the things, EPS and OBS. It's the same. Those two are simple concepts. No need to drag on these things. Okay. Everyone got it?
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, this is very important in project management. Now we have a thing called WBS here. Anyone have a rough idea what is WBS? WBS.
Work breakdown. Work breakdown structure.
Yes, exactly. That is work breakdown structure. See, yes, as we discussed earlier, what is Primavera? Is it a project management software?
Project management.
Is it a program management software? Or is it a portfolio management software?
Consists of all, sir.
Yes, obviously. But we terminalize it as a portfolio
Project.
management software. Because under portfolio, we are having programs. Under programs, we are having this projects. I hope you remember that slide what we have discussed twice in this session. Projects, programs, as well as portfolio. See, in the same manner, here we have one simple project, that is design and construction of a G+1 building. What is G+1?
Ground plus one.
Yes, ground plus one. Under this ground plus one project, we are having two WBS. For example, I took this to two WBS. We can extend maximum to WBS 7 in this Primavera. Correct? Okay, in this WBS 1, in the first breakdown structure, we are having planning and design and construction of the two things over here. Under this planning and design, we are having a planning separately and designing separately because the tasks are different, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Under construction, we have two things. That is construction up to ground floor, construction from ground floor to first floor. Just have been bifurcated in a simple way so that it must be very comfortable to you in the initial stages. Later, we need to elaborate these things because we want micro planning in this. If we go for a micro planning only, we can execute any project simply in a simple way. Correct? See, under planning, we are having four things over here. That is budget finalization and budget allocation. Is it or not? Is it or not? This is a very important thing. Consider you are about to planning. You are planning to construct an house in 30 into 40 side. You must know what might be the approximate budget, right? With the factor of safety of at least 0.5. What will be the site cost in your location per square feet? Hope all of you in Mysore.
In 3,000, sir.
3,000, approximately 3,000, right?
Approximate.
Approximately 3,000, because in hot hub areas it might go around 7,000 also, 7, 8, 10,000 also. We'll just consider the residential projects. We'll consider that is 3,000. If it's a 30, 40 site, what will be the total cost of the site?
36 lakhs.
Yes, 36 lakh is the budget for site. What will be the construction part?
Into 20 lakhs, sir.
Okay, 10 to 20 lakhs is the approximate budget for construction of a simple house, not a luxury house, but a simple house. Okay. See, now the budget is around 56 to 60 lakhs. This must be fixed initially. Budget must be, because it might be in the form of cash, it might be in the form of loan, whatever it may be. That budget must be finalized initially. Then the budget allocation comes. What is this budget allocation? This budget allocation will be done in three categories. I will show you the categories. This is labor, material, and non-labor. These are the three resources for our budget allocation. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my words?
Yes.
Okay. I'm giving a simple practical example for you guys where you can understand easily this project things. See, next, resources defining and resources allocation. After this, defining the budget and allocating the budget, we need to allocate and define the resources and allocate the resources. This is very mandatory in this. Got it? Next, coming to design part, initial site visits from the designer, whoever it may be. Then design approval, you need to get the design approval from the designer. After getting that structural and design approval, we need to go for construction. These planning and design, construction are also both parallel activities. Why? Initially we can plan both easily, but the execution part will comes in a sequential manner. Right? Then coming to construction part, we have two things over here: construction up to ground floor, construction up to from ground floor to first floor. See, these are the simple activities: marking and excavation, masonry work, construction up to plinth level, ground floor slab. Then coming to construction from ground floor to first floor, we are covered with first floor masonry work and first floor roof slab. These are the basic things, basic activities that I have mentioned here. Because coming to the practical part, I will give you one assignment today, because I want to know what are the resources that you know for the construction part. Okay, shall we go for the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, coming to resources. What is resource?
Equipments required.
Only equipments?
Manpower.
Okay.
Manpower.
Yes, sir. These are the three.
Labor, material, non-labor.
Yes, because here see, in labor category I have mentioned MD also, managing director also. In this Primavera, we will consider each and every human being in this project as labor. This is one thumb rule for us. There is no separate category for this higher end organization people. Each and every candidate is considered as labor over here. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
as we will be discussing some private limited companies and limited companies, there each and every hierarchy, each and every person will be getting salaries. Those the candidates who are getting salaries and wages are considered as labor here. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
See, in labor category, we are having, for example, we are having MD, CEO, engineer, supervisor, management, carpenter, plumber, labor. I have mentioned labor twice, I think so. No. Okay. Coming to material part, we are having cement, bricks, sand, aggregate, steel, paint, water, and wood, and many more extra things that we will be having for this part. For the demonstration part, I have mentioned these things, small things. Coming to non-labor part, what is Hydra? Do you have any idea what is Hydra? What is Hydra? Any rough guess? Do you know crane? The word crane.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Crane ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ? In
Yes,
the
sir.
same manner, there will be some sort of small cranes roaming here and there with a small boom like this. Have you seen those things? Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Those small cranes are called as hydras. The new models of hydras are F-15 models. These are because of this non-safer side of previous hydras. Where government has introduced F-15 model hydras. Because of the boom, this driver was not able to see the road properly. Because of that, many accidents happen in construction sites and all. For this part, the driving cabinet is placed on one side, and the boom is placed on the other side of this equipment. This F-15 model is very useful and very protected and very safely procured in the industry. Now coming to the next, JCB, crane, concrete mixture, vibrators. Where these vibrators are used?
Compacting the concrete.
Yes, yes, yes. What's the other way to compact this concrete part in the columns? Earlier,
Manual
there's
compaction.
people. Some of the people will be people use, and some of the people labor is used to shake these shattering plates for settling this concrete and all. That's a useful and unsafe manner of the settling the concrete.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
coming to drilling machine, welding machine, and grinding machine. These are some of the resources that we come across this construction part. There are many more resources that we need to discuss. Coming to next slide. Okay, a beautiful omelette is here, and Burj Khalifa is here. What we need to do here? See, you might be having a question why sir has placed an omelette over here. Shall I have excuse me, I'll have some water and come back.
Yes,
Just a
sir.
minute. Huh?
Yeah.
Just a minute.
Okay. Gouda, good morning.
Adam.
Nice hairstyle, Adan.
Ishad, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Buddha.
Adam full ಮಿಂಚ್ತಾವ್ನೆ.
Adan ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತೀಯ ಅನ್ಕಣೋ.
ಜೆ ಜಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಸುಮ್ನೆ.
Adam full
ಕೊರೋನಾ ಟೈಮ್ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಇವನಿಲ್ಲ DP ವಿಕಾಸು
ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ಟಾನೆಲ್ಲ.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದೀನಿ.
ಗೌಡ ನೀನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ? ನೀನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ?
ಯಾವಾಗ? ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹೆವಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಕಣ ನಿಜ.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ ನೀನ್ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು.
ಹಾ.
ಮುರುಗೇಶ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಮತ್ತು.
ಇವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಕಳ್ಸು.
ಇರು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ.
ಹಾ.
ಗಣೇಶ
ಗೌಡ ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ರು.
ಬರ್ಲಿ.
Okay. Okay. Do you know why I placed this omelette on the screen?
Just to have it.
Risk management.
Because what is this one? Scope, time, and cost. We have discussed this earlier. What is this?
Things that are required.
No. What is
Step by
this
step.
diagram called?
They are dependent on each other.
Okay, fine.
Cycle.
Cycle diagram.
Which cycle? Circular cycle. Huh?
Triple constant
Interconnected
triangle.
with each other.
Okay. Have you heard about this triple constant triangle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then there's a beautiful terminology for this things. Yeah, you must remind that thing because if you want to get this PMP certification and all, these terminologies are very important. Correct? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Have shown you this book also, PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge, the 6th edition. If anyone interested in this project management field, you can buy that book right away. After this exams, you just give 1 hour daily, 1 hour, 1.5 hour time for this PMBOK. It will be very useful for you guys. Okay. Fine, fine. Okay. I didn't get any answer for this one. Why have placed omelette over here? We are seeing a beautiful omelette over there, right? Okay. Everyone having paper and pen with you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. There's a small project for you guys. As we discussed earlier, starting from procurement of ingredients needed for this preparing of omelette, end of the project, that is serving this omelette to the dish. Got it? I have defined you start of the project and end of the project. Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you write the steps involved, activities involved in the preparation of omelette and resources needed for each and every task. Then risks involved in each and every step. Risk involved in each and every activity. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then I'll give you 5 minutes time. You just go ahead. I want beautiful answers from your side.
Okay.
Full silent. Kenapa?
Yes, everyone completed. Everyone completed this project?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Everyone switch on the video modes. Okay. Let us get the first activity sequence now. Yes, please start.
First of all, egg is required, sir.
Okay.
Going to the market.
Okay.
Sir, without breaking egg, we can't do omelette.
Okay. You need to break in the kitchen, not on the road. I see. I think so.
Main requirements are like cooking oil, butter, and egg.
Okay.
Then other ingredients such as onion, coriander leaf.
Chilies,
Chilies.
Salt.
Okay,
Yeah,
pepper,
sir.
salt.
Pepper.
fine. Yes, go for the sequence of activities. We are
Cutting
telling about the
ingredients.
resources now.
Like making sure the pan is ready for omelette.
Okay.
We should cut the
After that, we have
vegetables.
to apply
We should wash the vegetables sir, first.
Okay. Fine.
Then chop it with using resources, knife, chopping board.
topic.
We
Later
chop
on,
it.
adding all those things and mixture it well.
Mhm.
Switching on the gas stove and pouring it. Mixing.
Then scrambling that egg mixture on that pan.
Yes.
Finally, adding the toppings.
Yes. I think Lefford is familiar with this one.
Is owner of N shop, sir.
Pardon me?
Poli angdi sir.
Poli anಗಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡವ್ನು sir.
Great. Yes. All of you guys explained it in a very clear manner, but I didn't get only one voice from Sumashya Shobhi, that is pepper powder. Okay. Hope your mom and dad serves you very well. Okay, fine. We got some of the activities as well as resources that we need. See, for a simple project, that is cooking, preparing the omelette, we have so many resources and some of the risks that involved. You have mentioned me this resources and activities. That's great. What about the risks involved?
Accident while going to the market.
Yes, definitely.
Sir,
Yes.
burn ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ sir.
Should not overcook, sir.
Okay, fine. Yes.
You have to be
More
careful
salt.
when chopping sir.
Ensuring the amounts that are required are not added overly.
Correct.
Maintaining the flavor of the egg omelette.
Okay.
Ensuring that the gas stove does not have any leakage before switching on it.
Yes.
Risk. Yes.
These are all the simple risks involved in the preparing of omelette, right? For a
Yes, sir.
simple omelette, a budget of around 10 rupees, we are having so many risks, right?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
costly, sir.
Are you seeing the building in the another corner of your slide?
Yes
Sir.
sir.
What is that building called?
BURJ
Burj
Khalifa.
Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa. What is it?
Tallest building on earth.
Skyscraper in the world sir.
Tallest building in the world, right?
Yes sir.
See, in a simple project of preparing an omelette, we are having so much of risk. What might be the quantum of risk in building of this Burj Khalifa? Can you imagine that one?
No, sir.
Can we guys imagine? Because see, this Burj Khalifa has started in 2004 and it has been commissioned in 2009, officially inaugurated on 4th January 2010. See, whatever it may be, this Gulf country people are not minded for this money part. They want quality and in-time work. Thus, $1.5 billion of cost for handling this Burj Khalifa. The total height of this Burj Khalifa is 829.8 meters, approximately 100 meters away for 1 kilometer. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it or not? See,
Yes, sir.
in this 154 floors are for this general purpose and nine floors for maintenance part. Coming to this design and construction and project management of this Burj Khalifa, initially Sheikh what he did, he gave an open offer for the project managers all over the world. All over the world, he gave an open offer. He got around 2,000 applications for this Burj Khalifa project management with the project designs and all. After seeing this 22,000 proposals, he gave offer the best construction, the best project management will be offered with the good prices. On the other way, if it exceeds October 2009, the project consultancy, which will handle the entire project, it has to repay the entire amount which will be paid for this project, Burj Khalifa. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Yes, sir.
2009 ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಾಟ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ which was paid for this Burj Khalifa. Then you know how many applications came back for this project with that condition? Only 100. Only 100 applications came back. Around 90% applications were not confident to complete this project within the stipulated time. Then out of those 100 projects, that project has been finalized to the main contractor, the Samsung CNT. Structural engineering was Bill Baker. Architecture, Skidmore, Wings and Morwell. Architect were Adrian Smith. This is the consultant part. They have completed this project in time with a beautiful way. I hope everyone knows this. How great is Burj Khalifa construction at all, because it's almost 100 meters down for this 1 kilometer height. Is it or not?
Yes.
See, this is the part why I took this omelette as an example, and now I am giving this world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa, for this. You need to calculate each and every activity precisely, and you need to organize the resources precisely, and you need to organize the budget precisely, because these all the things you want to execute any of the project in a stipulated time. Time is very mandatory, because the quality is not by chance. Quality is by hard work. Before entering into any project, you must keep in this mind. Got it? Now, I'll end this session today because it is the end of the theory part. What we have discussed today, this OBS, EPS and resources, what we will do, we will just portray all those things in the Primavera software from tomorrow.
Okay.
Is it okay for you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, from tomorrow we will be handling, we will be giving the hands-on on this Primavera software, how to organize this organization breakdown structure in Primavera, how to organize this EPS in Primavera, how to analyze the resource, how to add resources, how to add cost for this. Okay, how to manage the project in this. Okay, then you will
Sir,
come to
software
know
download link ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
that. I'll share with you tomorrow. I'll share with you. Okay, tomorrow after the class,
Okay,
I'll share that software link with you. That is in my drive itself, so that you can install it. How many of you guys having laptop?
I don't have, sir.
Don't have the laptop.
Don't have, sir.
How many of you have? Tell me.
I have, sir.
Tejas.
I have.
I have.
Tejas.
I have, sir.
Yes, sir, I have.
Adana. Okay, Ganesh.
I have, sir.
Nishant.
Sir.
Nishant ji.
Oh, sorry.
ನಿಶಾಂತ್ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್?
ನಿಶಾಂತ್ ತಲೆ ಎತ್ತು.
ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. PC ಇದೆ, PC.
PC. Okay. No. What is the configuration of your PC?
Sir,
Okay. Pratwal?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay. No need to worry. Prithvij?
No, sir, I don't have, sir.
You don't have Zaid?
I have, sir.
Okay. Vikas, Murugesh, and Shobita?
Yes, sir. I have.
I don't have, sir.
Sumashri?
I have, sir.
Okay. Murugesh?
I don't have, sir.
Okay. Vikas?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. We have 8 laptops here in this team. That's more than enough because it's a project management. There's a teamwork over here. Who are not having laptops, I will be giving other assignments in the coordination with 8 members of the team who are having laptops. We need to complete this project. Okay, can we do that?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay, we need to optimize the resources in a good manner. That is, we are having 8 laptops and we are having 13 candidates over here. Hope so.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tomorrow Tejas is very sleepy now. Okay, we'll start the session. I'll share the timing schedule of the Zoom by evening. Okay, I did.
Okay, sir.
I haven't sent you this link right yesterday. This video
Yes,
link.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, what I do
No,
is
sir.
I don't have any YouTube channel and all. My partner is having his YouTube channel. What I do is I just upload this video in his YouTube channel so that if I send you a link, you can see that video at any instant. Okay, I'll share
Okay.
you the link also.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, okay. I'll end up the session. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.